Hi lovies, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm very grateful and thankful you come back to view my video. I love you guys so much. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieve this flat twist. You can achieve within 5 minutes to 10 minutes. But if it's the first time you're watching my video, hello, how are you? I hope you're good. Welcome. My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell. Also, don't forget to share this video with your loved one. That means a lot to me. Thank you so much. So I started with fresh hair, and I just part small section over the side. It looks like this way. Then I secure, and then I move to this another side. Here you may decide to make a big line as much as you want, or as much as your hair, how long your hair is. So this is the line I will be working with it. In case you don't know how to do flat twist, the first time you have to make small section, and then the next section will be new section of hair you're going to pull, and the previous one going under, so that you can add new section of hair and keep moving. Oh my god, I don't know, sometimes I feel like it's a little bit difficult to explain like how to braid, but the more you watch, the more you understand more. So this is how I normally do flat twists, and I go like this way till end of this line. If your hair is too short, you may decide either to add a little bit of braiding hair, but if your hair is the same length as mine, no need, you can just braid your natural hair, and then later on you may add a little bit hair on back, or just add Afro puff. So after this, I go ahead and make another line. The line not straight, is kind of a little curve, so that I can hold the hair on the side, and at the same time the line will go till back of my hair. So I make small section, and then I start twist each side. I make sure the new section go on top of the previous section, and then I pick new section, which I add a little bit of my natural hair, and then I keep going. Every time when you add fewer hair, you'll see your line looks very good, but if you add too much hair, it will be very easy for your lines to unravel, because it will be a little bit hard to hold all of your natural hair otherwise, if your hair is very long. So this section here, I'm going to work with 4 lines only, but you may decide to make maybe 5 lines, 6 lines, depending on how comfortable you are with, as I said earlier. But for me here, I'm going to make only 4 or 5 lines. In case you have a hard time to braid your back section, you may hold hair in another way. Let me show you in this line. But I think it's a little bit easy to braid back of your head more than to start direct from past your hand till back. So here you may turn your hand just like this, and then here your index finger is the one going to continue add. So the previous section you hold with your middle finger and index finger, and another hand help you to add a new section, and then keep going. This is how I braid back section of my head. And so after I finish this side, I'll go ahead and make another 2 lines to other sides, and at this another side you may decide to do any shape that works good or fits well according to shape of your face. and then as I did on other lines, just a small section of hair, and then the more you keep twisting, the more you keep adding hair. Go till end of your lines. So here the same, I take small section, I keep adding hair, twist, add hair, twist. Every time when I add, I make sure before I add, the previous section must be under so that the twist can make well. And then I add a new section, then I pull the previous section under, then new section, pull the previous under till I finish. So here I'm done with flat twists. I take a rubber band and I make sure I hold all the lines together. Then I secure with this rubber band. This puff, I have video on how to make it. In case you don't know, I'll put the link in description below. It's very easy to make this Afro puff, and guys, I use this puff on a lot of videos, so this puff is lifesaver. So I pin it over there with bobby pin, make sure it's secured enough in case the wind blow, my Afro puff will not go with wind. So after I finish, I just use my finger to pull a little bit up so that the hair can be fully. Then I put on my makeup, and guys, this is the final results for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching and you get something, especially if you want to go out a quick tutorial. And yeah, I hope you love it. Let me know in comment section if you'll be ready to wear this protective style. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.